we're about to do a review. Donna'S recipe. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to renew this old hairstyle. I've had this for about a week. I'm giving mullet right now. Defining my clip, because you don't want to have all this defined and the clip not defined, right? Boom, 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 twist it up. Here's my claw clip. To the real part, okay? It's time to tackle this. Okay. I'll be back. last piece. Only fair for me to walk you through this entire process, okay? Start with damp hair. I detangle from end to root. I'm not getting it perfect. I just want it to be detangled, okay? This curly hair. Leave-in conditioner. I feel like I get less shedding from doing that. And then I also feel like it defines the curls better. Neo foam. And I know, guys, but that foam is bomb, okay? There's no questions about it. Like, now here's the moment you've been waiting for. Watch this. Watch this. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? And then lastly, I'm gonna go on with some gel just to, you know, lock everything in. Lock all the curls in. So, okay, so I am going to let this air dry, and then I will be back to show you the final look and also give my take on the Donna'S recipe. Bye. Hello everybody, I'm back. I let it dry, and this is how it looks. Do y'all see that? Do you see it? So it's the Donna'S recipe, right? And it's the sweet potato pie, hair creamy hair cream. My first reaction of it, I was like, wow, this smells amazing. It smells really, really, really good. Like I could almost spoon it. Like it smells really good. Using it in my hair, it changed the way my curls felt. It made it feel more fine and manageable. Also made it feel more moisturized, which I enjoyed a lot. So I will be using this. Yep, this is a part of my routine now. Yeah. And out of a scale 1 out of 10, honestly, I rate it like an 8.5. Yeah, an 8.5. Yeah, give it a try. I went to Ulta to try and find it, and it was sold out. They didn't have it, so I had to order it from Ulta, and it came to my home. So just for reference, it might be sold out in a few places. Yeah, it's that good. Yeah. Also, this is my first video. My page is quite new. So if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later, Curly. Bye.